Hey guys, it is Monday here in West Virginia, and it is time for us to do our Mopar Monday. And we have a couple of older Greenlight releases to crack open for you. A couple of them that I've been looking for a decent price for a long time, and finally came across them. One's a modern Mopar muscle SUV, and one is a classic B body. We'll start with the classic B body. This is the 1970 Dodge Hemi Charger RT from Series 1 of the Barrett-Jackson series. They don't even do that series anymore as far as I know. I think it's just Hollywood rides, and they kind of combine all TV shows, including the auction stuff, with the Hollywood series, or they have like an auction block series. I don't know, but it's been a while since I've seen just Barrett-Jackson series. They may still do them, but I don't know. It's rare if they do. So as you can see, Series 1, I've already cut the back of the card. That's why that paper is ripped there. And then on the back side, it just gives you a spill on the car. One of only 56 built. This very rare 426, 425 horse V8 Hemi Charger RT with a 4-speed transmission is a genuine original Hemi car. Beautifully restored in red with a white vinyl top and white interior. This beauty's options included power steering, power brakes, an engine call-out package, a Dana with 410 Super Track pack, AM 8-track radio, a TikTok tack, 15-inch by 7-inch rally wheels, and a 6-way adjustable driver's seat. Sold at Barrett-Jackson, Scottsdale, 2015 for $220,000. Now that's probably $1 million car, being that it's been 10 years since that sold. I don't know if it's 1 million or not, but it's probably more than the 220,000. Very cool looking car. And anyways, let's get him out and take a closer look at him. And this will go nicely with my 70s. Some of the 70s that Greenlight made in the past have started bringing some pretty big bucks. I was kind of surprised when I seen them. Same guy I got this from had the blue one. It's not a B5 blue. It's more like an ice blue. And it had the color match stillies with dog dish caps. And that went for $20-some. I was actually surprised. I didn't think that thing was worth over like 10 or 15 bucks, but I guess I was wrong. I got a couple other 70s that are fairly rare and desirable ones. They are the ones that were made for a diecast place, and they were one of like 999 made. They're as rare as some chase pieces. One is purple and one is pink, and the pink one would look really good next to this one. Also with the purple one, I think they all had white vinyl tops, which is kind of cool. So white interior. It looks like it's trimmed though with black on the sides. That may just be the shadow. Probably just the shadows. I don't know. It looks pretty good though. Either way, black package tray, black dashboard. And it is black in the middle of the rear seats. I can see that. So I don't know if that's correct or not. And then opening the hood, it does have an opening hood. As you can see, the oval air cleaner, and it's hard to really tell, but the valve covers are a little bit bigger than like what they would be if they had like a wedge style engine, 440 or 383. It's not really that noticeable. And these were numbered, as you can see, number 2368. Don't know how many of these they made. Their Charger casting, the 71st, appeared in one of their debut years, 2007. I think Greenlight debuted in 06, maybe 05 at the oldest. But yeah, very cool car. Nice one to add to the Mopar muscle lineup. Now, the second one is a hobby exclusive, and there is a counterpart to this one. It's this guy here. This is your 2018 Dodge Durango SRT, and this is the limited edition Mopar 18. There is another one that debuted at SEMA in 2018. As you can see here, ninth in a series of limited edition factory modified vehicles, the Mopar 18 Dodge Durango SRT was unveiled at the SEMA show in Las Vegas, and it served up some major whiplash to passerbys. First and foremost, the SUV's octane red exterior color is capped with a near body wide gloss black stripe that covers the vehicle's functional hood, then continues up and over the roof. It doesn't stop until it hits the rear spoiler. The SUV will also be offered to customers in a blue pearl coat exterior color, which is this one, which will include the stripe. The standard Dodge Durango SRT powertrain does not disappoint either. It is the fastest and most powerful in its class. It's a 392 cubic inch Hemi V8 engine with 475 horsepower and 470 pound-foot of torque. As you can see, when the vast creative resources at Mopar are tapped, great things happen. Keep your eye out for the distinctive limited edition Mopar 18 Dodge Durango SRT, as only 250 will be produced for the US and Canada. So that's a pretty rare muscle car. That's one, or muscle truck. It will go down in history as probably one of the very limited and desirable Durangos. Well, probably the most. So they do make the octane red one, which is really cool. This blue is awesome. It looks like petty blue with pearl. It's really a cool color. I thought it was just petty blue when I seen it advertised, but after getting it in hand, it's a really pretty color with the pearl in the clear. And that black stripe is kind of cool, but it's no different than like what they're doing with the Challengers and Chargers nowadays. They're doing the whole top half of it blacked out hood, blacked out roof, blacked out deck lid. Maybe this is what inspired that. I don't know, because this is appeared in 2018 on a 2019 model, something like that. But anyways, and the red eyes and the super stocks that I'm talking about from Auto World that I've seen that blacked out top on are like 2020s and 2021s. So not sure when that trend started, blacking out the tops as an option. But honestly, if I was doing this, I would rather see it in all of this blue color, maybe with the white racing stripes on it. Probably would be a better choice, in my opinion. But it does look cool. Don't get me wrong. It looks really cool. I would like to find the octane red one, but they're going for like 30, 40 bucks. That's what this one was going for. And then I finally found one. I think I got it for 15 or 18, something like that, plus 6 or 7 shipping. There's a couple of them on there that were reasonably priced between like 18 and 25. They're usually, as I said, 30 to 50 is what people are asking. I know asking and getting are two different things, but it seems that these stay steady at that asking price. So that's cool. And then I will be on the lookout for the red octane colored one, and I am also trying to find the black SRT with the red stripes. I got the other two, the white with blue stripes and the Destroyer gray with black stripes, but I need that black one with the red stripes, and I need the red counterpart to this guy here. So that's it. We have some old school muscle and modern muscle for this Mopar Monday. Not sure if we'll be back before Friday, but on Friday, we'll have some stuff to crack open for you. We have a lot of cool stuff coming from China and some stuff coming local that we'll be doing some videos on, unboxing videos on most of it, and close-ups so you can see the detail of some of these. I have stuff for Mopar lovers and GM lovers, and maybe even some JDM stuff coming up. Not sure. We'll look into it, though. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you again on Friday, if not sooner.